Hello everyone. So I will show you how to find the percentage in normal curve using the Z table. But first, let us have the normal curve. So ano nga ba itsura ng normal curve? So sa normal curve, magkakaroon kayo ng ganitong presentation. So parang, okay, so sorry, hindi ako medyo magaling na. Okay, so parang ganitong yan, drawing. So dito sa normal curve natin, actually nahati ito sa gitna. So itong gitna na ito, pwede itong magkakaparehas I should say, ang mean, median, at of course yung mode natin. Okay? Now, dito sa normal curve natin, nahati ito sa dalawang sides. So, of course, meron tayong right side and nandito naman yung left side natin. So yung left side natin, it consists of 50%. And of course, yung right side natin ay of course, ay should be 50% also para magkaroon tayo ng 100%. Now, dito sa left natin, so nahati ito sa apat na z-score natin. So meron tayong -1, -2, -3, and -4. Of course, ganun din sa right natin. And meron lang tayong positive integers. So ganyan yung itsura ng ating normal curve kapag nilagyan natin ng label ng z-score. So itong z-table natin, kailangan natin para makuha natin yung ating percentage ng z-score. So dapat magkaroon kayo dito ng hard copy para hindi nyo na kailangan i-memorize lahat. So actually there are 4 cases you need to know bago tayo mag-solve ng percentage ng z-score. Case number 1, we need to find the percentage of casing falling between z-score and the mean. So for example, mag-isip lang ako, we have 0 is less than or equal to z, less than or equal to, I should say 1.52. And dito naman sa example number 2 natin, we have p, we have negative 0.59 is less than or equal to z is less than or equal to 0. Okay? So, dito muna tayo sa first example natin. P, the percentage of 0 is less than or equal to z is less than or equal to 1.52. So, pag sinabi natin between, nasa gitna. Okay? Between z-score and the mean. We all know that mean, median, and mode, meron tayong 0 na value. Okay? So, first thing you need to do, of course, draw the normal curve. So, okay lang na hindi medyo maganda yung normal curve ninyo. So this is our 0. Of course, you need to draw the -1, -2, -3, -4. Of course, 1, 2, 3, 4 naman din sa kabila. Okay, so Z is 1.52. Nasaan dyan yung 1.52? So nandito sa part na ito. Since we are talking about between, so ito lang ang i-shade natin, yung 0 hanggang 1.52. Now, kapag na-shade nyo lang yung mean hanggang dun sa given z natin, ang magiging p of 0 less than z less than or equal to 1.52. Kung ano yung 1.52 natin dito, paano nga ba gamitin yung 1.52 using the z-table? Pumunta muna kayo dito since meron tayong 1.52, pumunta kayo dito sa 1.5. Next, 1.52. So punta na kayo dito sa 0.02. Now, tingnan ninyo kung nasaan siya nakatapat, itong part na ito, and of course, dito. So yung 1.52 ay may 0.43 Or in percentage form, we have 43.57%. So, equal lang pala siya sa 43.57%. Okay, so yan na kagad yung sagot natin. Okay, next we have the P of negative 0.59 is less than or equal to Z is less than or equal to 0. Para mas maintindihan ninyo, draw a normal curve. Sorry, medyo magulo. We have 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so nasa dyan ang negative 0.59. Kaya nasa left at hindi lalagpas sa 1, negative 1 natin. Okay, so ito yung shadan natin. So the P of negative 0.59 less than or equal to Z is less than or equal to 0. So tingnan natin yung 0.59 dito. 0.59, 0.5. Let us erase this. 0.59. So 0.5. Punta tayo sa 0.9. Okay? So ito. So meron tayong 22.24. So this is actually 22.24%. Okay, yung na-shaded na area natin dito ay yun yung ibig sabihin ng percentage natin. Okay, so ganun lang kumuha ng percentage sa case number 1. Next, case number 2, we are finding the percentage above the given Z score. For example, we have P of Z is above, so greater than or equal to, sabihin na nating negative 2.1. And P of Z is greater than or equal to 3.0. Okay, so let's have this. So, of course, dapat alam nyo kung paano mag-draw ng normal curve. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so nasan dyan yung negative 2.1? Nasa left. So, negative 2.1. So, nandito siya banda. So, we have above the given Z score. Ibig sabihin ng above in Tagalog, mas mataas. So, ano yung atin ng i-shade? Okay, so dapat i-shade natin yung right side nung green line natin. So, ito at saka yung itong part na ito. Anong napapansin nyo dito sa na-shadean natin? Na-shade natin yung buong right side. So kapag na-shade natin yung buong right side, magpa-plus tayo ng 50%. Okay? So 50% plus 2.01. Ang ibig sabihin ng negative 2.01, yung kanyang sign, it tells us kung nasang part siya ng normal curve natin. It's either on the left or right lang. Pero parehas lang yung kanyang shaded part ng 2.1 at negative 2.1. Punta tayo sa Z-table. We have 2.1. So let me erase this. 2.1. So punta kayo dito sa 2.1. So 2.1 is the same as 2.10. So 2.10 is 48.21. So plus 48.21%. Okay, so 50% plus 48.21 is 98.21%. Okay, so yung shaded area natin is actually 98.21%. Next, we have P of Z is greater than or equal to 3.0. So, draw a normal curve. Maglagay ng 0. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, 3, nasan dyan yung 3? Nasa right. So, nandito sa part na ito. We have above. So, itong part lang, maliit na part lang na ito. So, anong napapansin nyo ngayon? So, sa sobrang liit, ang gagawin naman natin dyan ay magma-minus tayo ng 50% minus the given z score. So, yung 3.0 natin, so nasan dyan 3.0? Ito. So 3.0 is the same as 3.00. So 49.87. So 49.87%. Okay, so 50% minus 49.87 is actually 0.13%. Okay, so yung shaded part natin is actually 0.13%. And that's case number 2. Case number 3, finding the percentage of cases below given z score. So below. So for example, P of z is less than or equal to negative 2.01 and P of z is less than or equal to 1.34. Okay? So, ganun ulit yung gagawin natin. Draw a normal curve. This is 0, of course, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, nasan dyan yung negative 2.01? Nasa left. So, dito tayo kukuha. So, meron tayong less than or below. Ano ibig sabihin ng less than or below? Mas mababa. So, anong area yung isi-shade natin? Yung nasa left. So, itong part na ito. Okay? Since hindi dumaan yung shaded part natin sa 0, magma-minus tayo na ngayon ng 50%. So 50% minus 2.01 sa ating z-table. Let me erase that. 2.01. Tingin sa 2.0 tapos punta sa 0.01. 47.78. 47.78. So this is 47.78%. So on your calculator, so ako rin magsosolve. So 50 minus 47.78, we have 2.22%. Okay, so ganun lang. Next, we have P of Z. Wait, yan, yan. So P of Z is less than or equal to 1.34. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 0. So saan yung line natin? Dun sa right. So 1.34 nandito sa part na ito. So ano yung symbol natin? It is less than. So mas mababa sa 1.64. So ito ang ating shaded part. So pating buong ito. Okay? So anong napapansin nyo? Na-shade lahat yung left natin. Kapag na-shade natin yung left natin, of course, magpa-plus tayo. Okay. 1.34 sa inyong z-table. 1.34. This is 1.3. Punta tayo sa 0.04. Okay. Ito, we have 40.99. Okay, tama ba? 1.34. Tama. 40.99 plus 40.99. Okay, paki-check ko 40.99. So 50% plus 40.99 is 90.99%. Yung na-shaded natin ay 90.99%. And that's case number 3. Last case, we have finding the percentage between two z-scores. So P is, for example, we have negative 0.62. Yan. Is less than or equal to z is less than or equal to 1.08. And P of 1.50 is less than or equal to z is less than or equal to 2.0. Okay, so yan yung solve natin. First, draw a normal curve. Kahit hindi perfect. So this is our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 0.62 nasaan? Left or right? So nasa left, this is negative 0.62, 1.08. So nandito sa part na ito. Since we are talking about z-scores, meron tayong dalawang z-scores, ibig score. Meron tayong gitna. So gitna palagi yan. Okay? Dumaan sa 0 yung ating shaded part. Ibig sabihin lang nun ay pag-plus lang natin yung 0.62 at yung 1.08. So 0.62 muna tayo. 0.62, 0.6, pupunta siya sa 0.02. So we have 23.24. 23.24% plus 1.08. So 1.08, this is 1.0, punta sa 1.08, 35.29. Ano? So 35.29. So plus 35.29%. So on your calculator, 23.24.24 plus 35.29, which is 58.53%. Okay, yung na-shade natin is actually 58.53%. Okay, last example for case number 4, we have P of 1.5 is less than or equal to Z is less than or equal to 2. So draw a normal curve. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So nasan dyan yung 1.5? Nandito sa part na ito. Nasan dyan yung 2.0? Okay, lumagpas sa 1.5. So nandito sa part na ito. So yung gitna mismo yung shadean natin. So nung napapansin ninyo, so ipag-minus natin yung kanilang mga z-score. So uunahin natin ngayon yung mas malaki. So 2.0. Yung absolute value ng z-score natin. So 2.0 is the same as the percentage of 2.0. 2.0 we have, let me erase this, 2.0 to 0, 47.72. So this is 47.72% minus 1.50. 1.50, 1.520, 43.32. 43.32 minus 43.32%. Okay, on your calculator, 47.72 minus 43.32, 43.32 is 4.4%. Okay, so ganyan yung mga cases natin. Okay, how about if hindi ko sasabihin kung anong case yung ating given or yung unknown natin? For example, we have this. P of negative 2 2.0 is less than or equal to z is less than or equal to 0.95, and p is less than negative 1.5 is less than z is less than or equal to negative 0.5. Okay, so you can pause this video and i-play nyo na lang kung tapos nyo nang sagutin. So, for example number 1, so mag-draw kayo ng normal curve. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Negative 2.0 ay nasa left. 0.95 nasa right. So, since we have 2z score, ibig sabihin lang yan, gitna palagi. So, this is our shaded part. So, as you can see, nadaanan yung 0 natin. So, ipagpa-plus lang natin yung kanilang mga percentage. So, 2.0 is 47.72, 47.72, 47.72% plus 0.95, 0.95, 0.9 to 0.05, 32.89, 32.89 plus 32.89% equals, so we have 47.72 plus 32.89 equals 80.61%. Okay, so did you get it correct? So dapat ang sagot ninyo ay 80.61%. Okay? So for number 2, so this is the visual presentation. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so negative 1.5 nandito sa part na ito. Yung negative 0.5 nandito. Okay, so these are 2z score. So nasa score, so nasa gitna palagi. So yan. So since hindi nadaanan yung 0, ipag-minus lang natin yung kanilang mga z-score. Since mas mataas ang absolute value ng negative 1.5 sa absolute value ng negative 0.5 is equal to 0.5. So unahin natin tignan yung percentage ng 1.5. 1.5 is 43.32. 43.32% minus negative 0.05. 0.0, 0.00. 0.5 I should say. 0.5, 19.15. So minus 19.15% equals 43.32 minus 19.15 is 24.17%. Okay, so tama ba yung nakuha ninyong sagot? Okay, so last 2 examples. So I will give you, sabihin nyo ng 3 minutes to answer these 2 examples. Paki-pause na lang. Okay, so I will show na the correct answer. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2.0 is nandito yung 2.0. Now, anong napapansin nyo sa inequality sign natin? We have greater than or equal to. So greater than, ibig sabihin in Tagalog, mas malaki. Kapag mas malaki, yung right side lang natin. Hindi na-shadean or hindi na-intersect o yung ating 0. So magma-minus tayo ngayon ng 50% minus the given z-score. So 2.0 is the same as 47.72. 47.72. 47.72%. which is 2.28%. Okay, let me check. 50 minus 47.72 is 2.28%. Okay, so tama ba yung nakuha ninyo? Okay, last we have this. Ang napapansin nyo sa inequality natin, less than. So, mas mababa. So, tignan natin. This is our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1.5, nandito siya mismo. So less than, ibig sabihin nito, mas mababa sa 1.5 dito. Anong napapansin natin? Magdadagdag tayo ng 50%. Okay? So 1.5 is the same as 1.5 is 43.32. 43.32%, which is 93.32%. Okay? So kung nakakuha na kayo ng sabihin na nating 3 hanggang 4 na items, very good. Kapag kapag 1 to 2, okay pa rin naman yun. Pero pag wala, okay, so meron tayong mga exercises sa internet and kuha na lang kayo doon and enhance nyo yung inyong problem solving skills. Okay? So ganyan, mag-solve ng percentage in normal curve using Z table. Okay? Last example, a word problem. So the event X has a normal distribution with a mean of 10 and variance of 9. Ibig sabihin ng variance of 9, so parehas lang siya sa standard deviation of 3. Okay, so ito na lang yung tingnan ninyo. Find the probability. So, find the probability that it will fall between 10 and 11, between 12 and 19, above 13, and between 8 and 12. So, hindi ko na natin sasagutan tong letter D. So, let's erase that. So, A is between 10 and 11. So you need to solve for their Z score. Ano ulit ang formula natin for Z score? So we have Z is equal to X minus the mean over the standard deviation. So X now is 10 minus the mean, which is 10 over standard deviation, which is 3. Okay, so 10 minus 10 is 0 over 3, which is 0. So Z is equal to 11 naman tayo. 11 minus 10 over 3, which is 1 over 3, or 2 decimal places, 0.67. Okay, so gagawa ulit tayo ng normal curve. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, nasan yung 0? Dito sa mean natin. And 0.67 nandito mismo. Okay, so this is our shaded part. Okay, 0.67 we have 0.67, 0.67 papunta sa 7. 24.86. 24.86. So, of course, our answer lang is 24.86. So, ito yung case number 1 natin. Okay, so yan yung A. How about for B? So, B, we have Z is equal to 12. So, 12 minus the mean, which is 10 over 3. So, 2 over 3, which is, oh, it's not 0.67 pala dito. It's 0.33. So, sorry. 0.33, 0.33, 12.93. It's 12.93. So, sorry, 12.93. So this is actually 12.93%. And this is 0.67. So Z is equal to 19 minus 10 over 3. So 19 minus 10 is 9 over 3, which is 3.0. So draw a normal curve. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So nasan 0.67? Nandito na part. Isa ng 3.0 nandito. So, hindi nadaanan yung 0. So, ipag-minus yung 3.0 sa 0.67. So, 3.0 is 49.87. 49.87. 49.87% minus 0.67 is 0.67. 0.67 is 24.86. 20.86 minus 24.86%. Okay, on your calculator, 49.87 minus 24.86. So we have 25.01%. Okay, so ganyan sumagot ng A and B. Last two example, we have C and E. So for C, so C above 13. So Z is equal to 13 minus 10 over 3. So 13 minus 10 is 3 over 3, which is 1. So dyan, ganyan, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So nasan yung 1? Nandito. So ano ibig sabihin ng above? So, greater than. So, yung nasa right natin. Nadaanan ba yung 0? Hindi. So, magma-minus lang tayo ng 50%. So, ano yung 1? 1.0, we have 34.13. 34.13. So, 34.13%. So, on your calculator, 50 minus 4.34.13 is 15.87%. And last example, E, I should say, we have 8 minus 10 over 3. Z is equal to 8 minus 10 over 3 is equal to negative 2 over 3, which is negative 0.67. Now, sa 12 naman, 12 minus 10 over 3, which is 2 over 3, which is 0.67. Okay, so parehas lang sila na 0.67. Yung isa negative, isa positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so nandito yung negative 0.67. Nandito yung 0.67. We have 2 Z scores. Ibig sabihin lang yan, ipag-add, na-shadean yung gitna. So napansin ninyo, nadadaanan yung 0 natin. So ipag-plus lang natin yung kanilang mga Z score. So 0.67 is 24.86% plus 24.86%. Okay, so 24.86 plus 24.86 is 49.72%. Okay, so ganyan. Kumuha ng percentage in normal curve using Z table. I think that's all, and thank you for listening.